Let's try to see the number of vowels present in a given string or a word. Okay. So what we'll do is like first we'll see what are the vowels are there. So vowels is equal to what are the vowels? We know that A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. So we all know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So now let's try to run the particular cell. Okay. So now let's try to define the uh, word or a variable string. Okay, so now let's try to define the variable string, some example. Okay, so now we'll try to mention any word here. So what I will mention, I will just mention it as destination. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so finally we'll initialize count to 0. Okay, so now we'll see uh, the given word has vowel, or if the character is present in the particular string, or the word has vowels. Okay, so for now let's try to see for character in string, or example string, some example. If character in vowels, the vowels. Okay, so now let's try to see count plus 1 is equal to 1, and finally we'll try to print off count. Let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, I just missed something here. Okay, so now you can see the number of vowels present in a given string example. Okay, so here you can see the 5 vowels are present in this particular word. So here you can see 1 E 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is how you can find the number of vowels in a given string. Okay, so for character in a string example, that means like for that particular string, if it contains the vowel, if the particular first character is vowel or not. Okay, suppose if the first character is vowel, then it will be counted as 1. Okay, so here the first character is not vowel, so since it is mentioned as 0. Okay, and the second character is vowel, because E, I, O, U, E is a vowel, so that's why it is mentioned as 1. Okay, so third, fourth is not a vowel, so still it is counted as 1. Okay, and here the fifth character is vowel, so that's why it is mentioned it as 2. Okay, so this is how you can find the number of vowels in a given word or a string. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video. Follow for more.